Hey Money Loves, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be getting into this closure wig from LuvMe Hair. This install was really quick and easy because it's glueless, you guys, so there will be no need for glue, adhesion, or nothing for this wig. So let's get into the details.
It's like I can't do no wrong.
This is how the wig came. It came in this purple box tied in a bow. And you guys know when a company sends their units in durable and fancy boxes, they're not coming to play. And this wig is definitely a game changer. So this is their 5x5 Bohemian curly closure wig in 24 inches. This wig comes with a middle part already done, nothing needed. Also comes pre-bleached and plucked. Now let's get into the closure of this wig. And look how deep this parting is. That's a deep parting. Do y'all see how good this hairline looks? It is pre-plucked, so I didn't need to do anything to this wig but cut the lace and slap it on my head. So this is me demonstrating what the hairline looks on my head straight out of the box, nothing done to it. So all of my beginners out there, if you guys are looking for a first time wig, I definitely suggest this one. And these are the curls that come with the wig. It's very flowy, very beach vibes, lightweight as well. So this wig isn't heavy at all. Great for the summer and the springtime. So I was definitely excited to go ahead and install this unit. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So the first thing I did to prep this wig was go ahead and pluck it a little bit more. I had to put my own spin on it, and I definitely suggest everyone to put their own spin on their wigs when they get it. Of course, you don't have to because everything is already prepared for you to just throw the wig on. So I'm just showing you all how I do it. I just hot comb it with my hot comb to get all the flyaways back, and then I use my tweezers to pluck the hairline. If you all want a tutorial on how I pluck in detail, I do have a video on that on my channel. Just look in the wig maintenance playlist, or I'll have it in the description box down below. Now don't play with me when it comes to this hair stuff, y'all. Look at this pluck side of the unit. I didn't do too much, y'all, because I like my wigs to last and I don't want to have to do baby hair at the same time. So I did a little happy medium pluck, and this is how it turned out. And now the unit is ready to be installed. So all I did for the install was take my shears and, of course, split the lace into sections. That's what I do with all my wigs to get rid of the lace. And I just cut it in zigzag motions. Now, usually I would use my eyebrow razor, but it is dull, honey, and I just could not risk messing this unit up. So I'm just cutting off one side at a time, taking my time to make sure I don't cut a lot of hair out, especially too much lace. So I just cut off that section. Look how clean this looks. You can barely see the lace even without makeup or anything on it. And now I'm gonna move on to the other side. And the key to getting a flawless, glueless install is to do that zigzag motion with whatever utensil you're using to cut the lace with. That way it blends in with the hair, with the roots of the wig. The next thing I did was take some foundation and just put it in the part and around the hairline just to blend it a little bit more with my skin. I know a lot of influencers like to just throw the wig on and have a little filter over it, but no, honey, you have to blend because you have to go outside in real life. So that's why we have to put foundation or powder on the lace so it blends in a little bit better. And she's unclockable, okay? Now look how bomb this hair looks right out of the box. A little to no effort. And she blends in like skin, like scalp, like it came out of my scalp. This is my hair. This is literally my hair that I can remove every night. As far as styling this wig, I didn't have to do too much. If you guys want to, you can use water, but in this video, I did do some mousse and just ran it across the whole wig, and the curls came out really pretty, shiny, and luscious. They're juicy, honey. This unit is pretty long as well. Again, it's 24 inches, and I showed you guys how far it came down my back. If you all want to see some hairstyles that I did for this wig, stay tuned, and I will be showing you the construction of the wig cap in the next clip. Now, these next few clips is just of me slapping the wig on the next day, literally, because I was about to go somewhere. This is the construction of the wig. It has 4 combs in total, 3 across the middle, 1 in the back, an adjustable strap to make it a little bit tighter, as well as an elastic band to make it even more glueless. Now, I just used that elastic band to hook on to the back of my head and then flip the wig right over. And that was it. That is all. No fakes and no gimmicks. This wig is truly glueless. Now that is pretty much all for this video. I will be showing you all a few hairstyles I came up with at the end of this video, but I hope you all enjoyed. Let me know if you have any more questions down below in the comment section. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends. I love you guys, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.